Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy rolled updo in less than 3 minutes. To start, apply some texture powder all over the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gather up that crown area and tie it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band at the back of the head. Use your fingers to pinch and pull small sections of hair from the crown to create more texture and volume. Now on the left hand side I've left a little bit of hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to take the rest of the hair from the ear up, and I'm going to take the same size section on the right hand side. Bring these together at the back of the head and secure with another clear elastic band. Pop a couple of fingers behind that elastic band, pass that little ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Next I'm going to take a small slice of hair from both sides of the head. Again, bring these round together at the back of the head, but this time I'm going to tie them together just slightly to the right hand side of that ponytail underneath it. And again, slip a couple of fingers behind the elastic band, grab the tail ends and pull them all the way through to create another twist. Add some dry texture spray all over these twists. Again, I'll list this in the description below for you. And then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull all of those twists to give it more texture. With the rest of the hair, I'm going to sweep this over to the right hand side, twisting the hair towards the head as I go. Twist it all the way to the bottom and tie it with another elastic band, creating a loop on the last turn. And all I'm going to do is roll this towards the head on the right hand side, and then slip as many bobby pins through the side of that twist to keep it secure to the head. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.